Ever thought about earning money while actually sleeping? I've been looking into this AI-driven approach. It's like you let your money work while you're catching some Z's.
That's a neat concept.
So here's the deal. You use ChatGPT to write all sorts of engaging content, almost like it's handling your creative workload for you.
Right.
It's like having a digital ghostwriter.
Yeah, that sounds incredible. ChatGPT has that flair for generating text effortlessly, right?
Exactly. And then you add 11 Labs into the mix. This tool takes that written content and narrates it. Imagine turning your text into voiceovers for videos or audiobooks, making it accessible in a
hmm
whole new way. Pretty cool, huh?
For sure. Hearing your content instead of reading it can totally grab a different audience. It's like a whole new dimension of engagement.
And then there's AutoDS. This tool automates the selling process. It handles the back end of your online store, so while you relax or sleep, it's busy making sales.
Yeah,
It's a sort of
exactly.
autopilot for revenue.
That really paints a picture. AI taking over the busy work so you can literally earn while you're asleep. But do you think it's reliable enough on its own?
Good point. I mean, it's not like setting it and forgetting it forever. You do need a bit of initial tweaking and periodic management to keep the system humming smoothly. But the beauty is in how it integrates the creative, vocal, and sales aspects
Right.
seamlessly. It's like a smart little ecosystem.
I can see that. It's innovative, but also kind of a new approach that requires a learning curve. People might say it oversells the idea of a completely hands off income stream.
True, there's some reality in that. While it's not a miracle solution that completely replaces a regular job, it definitely opens up a side hustle. An AI side hustle that leverages tools like ChatGPT for content, 11 Labs for narration, and AutoDS for sales automation.
Yeah,
The concept is really compelling.
it certainly is. It's like building a digital trio that transforms your workflow into a passive income machine. But I wonder, is the work upfront worth it for those who simply want a lazy approach to making money?
Well, it does need some initial hustle. Setting up the content, fine-tuning automation, making sure everything's connected properly. Think of it as a smart preparation that leads to rewards later. A little work now for benefits
Mhm.
down the road.
That makes sense. It's a clever blend of creativity and commerce, all backed by some solid AI tools and II money strategies.
Absolutely. When you combine these elements, it's almost like a modern blueprint for earning money passively. You set up the chat, the narrations, the sales, and then off you go, letting innovation do the heavy lifting.
Cheers to that. It's a refreshing technological spin on traditional income streams. I'm definitely intrigued by the potential.
For sure. If you're up for learning a bit about these AI hacks, you could seriously transform your side hustle game. It's all about using these tools to work smarter, not harder.
Right on. And even if it doesn't replace a full time gig, that extra stream of income can sure make a difference. Cheers to making money while we sleep.
Cheers to that. Here's to embracing the future with some pretty awesome AI tools.